The goal here is simple. Keep your business money completely separate from your personal money. Once your LLC is active, all business income should go into your business account and all business expenses should come out of it. One of the main benefits of the LLC is that your personal assets are protected if something goes wrong with the business. But if your personal and business money are mixed together, that protection can go away. A court could decide that your LLC isn't truly a separate entity, and your personal assets like your home, your car, your savings could all be at risk. Keep things separate from day one. You'll also need your EIN from step 4 before you can open a business bank account. Banks require it to verify your business. Once your account is open, use a business debit or credit card for all of those business purchases. Save your receipts as you go, and set up basic bookkeeping routines. Even a simple spreadsheet works to start. Review it once a month, and you'll have clean records that make tax time much easier. I've also linked my recommended business bank account in the description down below. Take a look and see if it's the right fit for your business. If you've only followed along so far, and now you're ready to get started, remember to use the link in the description to get the best available price with Northwest Registered Agent.